Perfect.
Hello, world. What's up, Nick? Say hello, world.
Hello, world.
Man, we out here. Oh, I ain't gonna tell y'all where we at. I ain't gonna tell you where we at. I ain't gonna tell y'all where we at. We in a secret place.
We somewhere.
We somewhere secret. But we caught a couple speckled trout. Had a good time. Guess what? We about to get out of here. Got some monsters. Some monsters. I'll show you in the video. Martian, Nick Williams. Oh.
Let's go.
Oh. Nah, I'm hooked on something. Hooked on something. I broke right, guys, the pole, everything. I can't even reel up. I got so much extra. Yeah, I don't miss this. That part there. And I knew my turn was coming, but I didn't think my pole was gonna explode. Really didn't think that was gonna happen, my boy. And I hadn't used that pole in I pulled it out of retirement, you know? That bitch was telling me it wasn't ready for coming out of retirement. I ain't listened to it. It might be right on the other side, huh?
Okay, you can't go underneath. You can't go underneath, that's when we got something got caught. Go underneath.
I know, but you gotta take that chance. You gotta take that chance, trust me, I know.
Don't go underneath that bridge. Shit under there. First thing I do.
Yeah, but guess where the fish hang more so underneath that. You gotta come with a pack of jig heads and baits. Oh, I was reeling in, he hit that. Good trout, good trout, good trout, good trout. Good trout, world. There we go, world. I was reeling it in, coming from the bridge, and he hit it. Where you putting him at?
Oh, you put them in that pool? I forgot to get ice.
It's all right. Mm-hmm. Hey, hey, hey.
16?
Slam shady, baby. Slam shady. Yeah, world. It was nice.
Shine some light on.
I was like, dang, I done got stuck, but how I got stuck, I was reeling in.
Want that check?
What is that? Oh, fucking back. Oh, hey, hey. Woo. What we got here, Bubba? Another good trout. Woo-hoo, that's a nice one. Get your butt in here. Yeah, world. Yeah, world. I'm gonna get it out now. Yeah, too nice. Yeah. 19-inch trout. 19-inch trout, bro. We'll take them like that. Slam shady, baby. Oh, oh. Yeah. Oh, he got off. So. Dang. Get him, Nick. Get him, Nick. Get him, baby. Get him, Nick. Get him, Nick. Yeah, baby. Woo! What he hit that shady too, huh?
Oh, I can't.
Oh, that was a big mule. Trying to bowl flip a big mule. You got a net right there.
Yeah.
Ooh, hit that shady, huh?
Yeah, I got me on camera, man.
Oh, I got you on camera
Oh,
live. Ain't no getting away from that one. That was a mule. Hell, I had a 19. That was about 22. Come on, dude. It was your turn, bro. It was your turn, Nick. Felt good, though, huh?
Yeah, it is. That was a good one.
Come on, Nick.
All right,
Oh, I got to go down now. I got to get heavy.
that.
I got to get heavy. I got to go heavier because you getting to that bottom, man. That's two of them back to back. I said, if Nick pull up another one right quick, that means he getting to that bottom better than me. Yeah.
Hello, world.
Hello, world. There you go, on the board. Look at Nick. On the board, world.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think I'm going to double up, get me a little heavier. They ain't schooled up. We both be catching them. They're just hanging in a few places, scattered.
Traveling around. I'm saying that's how I went last time. So they was running back and forth. And, you know, I'll catch two, some catch one. You know, and then they cut off about 5 minutes. And then the next boat down, catch some. They're just going back and forth.
Bottom. Damn. Go over there. Go through and see, eh? Oh! 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 He pulled it. He pulled it. Uh-oh. Oh, I was reeling it in. He hit that. Come on, don't get off, you big something gun. Woo! He swallowed it. Got another one, world. We bad. Open your mouth, you big summer gun. Oh, he bit the shit out of me. Sunk that tooth all the way in me. No.
I told you one of them killed one of them.
We go, world. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh, put that shrimp on it. Ooh, he dusted too. Yeah, I put a shrimp on the jig head. Yeah, come on. Sucked it up. Yeah, world. Yeah, world. Shrimp. Baby, I had to go back to the shrimp. Come on, big boy. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Me and old Nicholas.
Getting them in, baby.
Getting them in, baby. Cooler starting to look a little better there. Cooler starting to look a little better there.